Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Today's video is an unboxing video, also a product review video, but because I've reviewed this brand before, I won't go too in-depth. I will go in-depth on the products themselves. So yeah, also if you can't tell, I am sick, but not sick, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's just a change of weather sickness, which is good. Anyways, yeah, just opening the box right now. So if you can't already tell from the title of the video, I picked up a couple of items. Alright, I'll try not to rant too much about this pickup, but just some background information. So yeah, I picked up 3 pieces. This is the first time I've actually picked up multiple pieces at the same time from a single designer. Usually what I do is I cop like one or like basically just one piece from a designer, and that's like my cop for like the month or like the next couple months. But this time I decided to get a couple because one, I usually shop designer secondhand because it's easier on the wallet, and number 2, I'm a Japanese size 3, and it's not a rare size, but it's quite difficult for me to find what I want in that particular size for a good price. So yeah. Also, I got these from a IG seller. He also has a Grailed, so I'll leave those in the description below if you want to check out the listings. They sell a lot of Guidi, the Viridi-Anne, some Julius, and some other brands as well. Just designer brands from all over the place, really. But they got some good sizes and really good prices, in my opinion. I think the prices are definitely really good for what they are and the condition they're in. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. Shout out to that person. But yeah, I'll just get right into it. So this is how it's packaged. It's packaged beautifully. So this seller is like really takes the effort to like put something, to package it really nicely, and that's what I like to see. So it's like nice and secure. But so this seems to be item number 1 that I got. Like I mentioned, all these pieces are from the Viridi-Anne. It's a Japanese, not so much avant-garde, but I say it's an avant-garde brand. They mainly design in black. Yeah, like I said, I did a previous video on them, just like a quick overview of the brand. But yeah, so this is item number 1. Let's put this box down. Item number 1 is just this really nice blazer. What's unique about this blazer is actually that it's lapel-less, but it still gives off the silhouette of a lapel. So if you can see here, it's actually very thin. I didn't expect it to be so thin, but it is lined, which is very nice. It's sort of like a tencel sort of fabric, it feels like, on the outside, and on the inside it's sort of a cotton, and then on the sleeves it's like a sort of cupro, if you can see here. So these are this is the sleeve, very silky, very nice. And then this is the inner lining. It's like a cotton, a very thin cotton. And then on the outside, it's like sort of a tencel-y sort of material, very light. It looks very breathable. Yeah, just a good addition to the wardrobe. What I was looking for in particular was a blazer with a single back vent, and it has that right here, if you can see. Single back vent, like right in the middle, which I really personally like. I prefer that silhouette over the 2 back vents. I think it just looks a lot more chic, in my opinion. And then, as I said, like the unique detail about this is that, yes, it has a collar, but if you can see, the collar actually, it ends on the back here, so it's sewn in. And then in the front, with the lapels, these aren't actually lapels. It's kind of hard to show, but yeah, it's sewn in, so you can't actually like flip it out. It's not an actual like collar, so to say. And then in terms of the closure, it's just a 1 button closure. So here's the button right here, and then it just closes in the middle. Yeah, just a simple design, black suit. Basically, I was looking for a black suit, and so I copped this, and then I also copped trousers as well. So I also copped these trousers, size 3. Generally speaking, for me personally, I am a waist 32, but I've got larger thighs and a bigger butt, and Usually a size 3 in any Japanese brand fits me more or less. They're usually on the slimmer side, so it's a lot more of a tighter fit, but it usually works for me just fine having a size 3. But personally I would have liked copying like the full suit sort of setup so that the pants and the jacket would have matching fabrics, but you know, buying secondhand, that's kind of difficult. You can look on Grailed and stuff for suit listings, but for a brand like the Viridi-Anne, I really want a suit from them and what they do. I just copped pants, slim tailored pants from the Viridi-Anne, and I'm thinking of, you know, in this way I can use the pants on its own, or I can mix it with the jacket and have not a full like a matching setup, but it's still sort of a nice black suit setup. So yeah, just going over these pants real quick. It's just a slim trouser cut. Yeah, and the closure is really unique. So it comes with, it's very unique right here. It's got the zip front, and then it's got the button closure and the hook closure, but then also on the buttons, it's got hook closures to cover the buttons, which is really unique, and I think it's really cool. It's something you don't really see once you do it up, but I think it looks really cool. And then on the back, it's got back snap buttons on the back pocket. It's really nice. So it's got 2 back pockets, both with snap closures, and then 2 front pockets on the side. There's no pleat on the trousers. It's just a slim black trouser cut, which yeah, I've been really looking forward to copying. It's just a very nice black sort of, I wouldn't say a canvas, but like a very nice sturdy black cotton, I'd say. It does seem to be completely lined in this I don't know, this sort of flannelly sort of textured material. It's probably just another cotton, but yeah, these would definitely keep me warm. If you don't know, I actually live in Sydney, and Sydney's weather is the complete opposite to the rest of the world, so it's currently winter right now. So all of these cops are winter-based cops. So yeah. So that was just my suit cop, which I've been really looking for. I was debating between copying that or waiting for the J Plus line from Uniqlo to come out and try on the J Plus suit. It is what it is, and I copped this instead. I haven't tried it on yet. I'll do some on-body shots and then tell you how it fits. This next item is actually something that I've like always wanted. They do a couple, the Viridi-Anne do a couple versions of this fabric, and that is a mutton leather, if you can tell. So this is actually surprisingly light. I expected it to be a lot heavier, but yeah, this is a mutton leather jacket with an asymmetric closure zip. Really cool. I mean, it's mutton leather, right? It's super high quality. The leather feels very strange. I don't know how to describe it. It feels almost, I don't know how to explain it. It's very smooth, I'd say, very smooth leather. And on the inside, obviously, the mutton is, yeah, so here's the tag. The Viridi-Anne, and then the washing instructions, so size 3, 100% mutton. Yeah, just dry clean only. Wow, it actually says, do not wash, do not bleach, do not iron, do not dry clean, do not tumble dry. Wow. So yeah, it says here to, when dry cleaning, please advise the cleaner to use specialized leather cleaner only. So yeah, something like this needs probably a lot of maintenance. No, not that much maintenance, but when you do, you need to like pay a lot of attention to it. Completely lined, as you can see. Just mutton leather. What's really interesting is that this will be like super warm. So so in the design, they've actually put like vents underneath the pits. So if you unzip it here, that's the pit right there to let air in. So it's a lot more breathable. It's just got 2 front pockets. You can see here, front pocket. On the inside it's leather, but on the outside it's the mutton. Zipper closures on all the pockets. Yeah, it's just got the two side pockets, the shoulder, the pit vents, and the front double. I'm not sure if I forgot to mention it, but the front zipper closure is actually a double zip closure. The Viridi-Anne does it on almost all their garments. What I really like about the double zip closure is that you're allowed to play with the silhouette of the jacket by altering the zip locations. So like if you zip it up all the way, obviously you have the full zip, but then you can actually bring the bottom one up to create a more A-line silhouette and bring it like maybe to the center, create a cinched look. Like that's what I really like about double zips, and that's what I really look for in outerwear with zip closures, is for that specific double zip. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this looks, but I'll try it on body and then see how that is. Yeah, this jacket is just super reminiscent of maybe something like Bane would wear from Batman, and I think it looks super sick. They also do a mutton leather in a overcoat style, which also a belted overcoat style, which looks super sick as well. But yeah, that one's way more expensive, and I don't think I would get much wear out of it, so this is perfect for what I'm looking for. So yeah, super happy about that. Hopefully it fits. So yeah, this is what it looks like all unzipped up fully. I've actually opened up the side vents because it's a bit warm, but yeah. As you can see, the sleeves are a bit long, but in terms of the body, it's perfect for me. It's quite a fitted look, which I quite like. Here's this double zip. You can open it up. And then here's it unzipped. I mean, the length of the sleeves is really nice because I sort of like this longer sleeve look. Sort of keeps my hands warm as well. I think overall this fits me perfectly, really. I mean, with time, leather sort of expands, stretches a bit. So that might be pretty nice as well. It might crease and distress in certain areas, which I'm looking forward to seeing. But yeah, really happy with this piece. So yeah, this is what the suit like looks on. I changed my shirt. This is how I would probably style it. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but actually the blazer does have a cuff button that can be undone. So you can actually roll up your sleeve like this and show the lining pattern, which is super nice. But I'd probably wear it just as is right now. The length is really nice. It just hits my knuckles, which I personally like. I'm also wearing the trousers. Yeah, just a quick little look at it. It's got one button closure. You could use some ironing, but yeah. I mean, straight out of the package, it looks fine. It's got slightly padded shoulders, which is quite nice. Slightly padded shoulders, single button closure, button cuffs, undoable button cuffs, super light flowy fabric. But actually, I think the real winner right now is the pants for me. I think these pants are incredible. They fit me really nicely. They could be a bit looser. They could be a bit looser on the butt area, but yeah. So these are, it's not a very good look at it, but The length is perfect. Yeah, so the trousers, the length is perfect for me, but it's just a bit too tight, just a tiny bit. I wish it was a tiny bit looser on the thigh and butt area. I mean, it's to be expected because it is a Japanese brand and they design for more slimmer bodies. I mean, it is what it is, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with size 3 with all Japanese brands. I mean, I had this same issue with my Lad Musician trousers. I haven't done a video on those, but they've been on my channel in a couple videos. But just in terms of everything from the Viridi-Anne, you know, like I said, really high quality garments. What I've actually noticed is something that I really enjoy from this pickup is the trousers. And I think it's because the lining on the trousers is this really fluffy, almost flannelly sort of textured cotton. And it's super, like, super comfortable. It's very, very warm, very soft, and just a joy to wear, really. So I'm loving these trousers right now, so I cannot wait to bust out this suit. And I think it looks really nice because I've noticed in particular, in terms of trends, if we want to talk in terms of trends, suits have made a real big comeback, but not in the sort of business sense, but in the more casual sense. It's sort of a definite style, a very suave, classy style that's just timeless, and I'm glad to have this suit in my wardrobe now, so hopefully it stays in my wardrobe for many, 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 many years to come. And yeah, also the Mutton jacket, super nice. Cannot wait to wear that in. I definitely need to wear that in more, so it sort of forms my body. I think it'll definitely look better with age and with more attention. Yeah, but overall, very happy with these cops. Like I mentioned, got these all second hands for a very good price. I'll link the IG down below. Yeah, sorry for being sick. Throat kind of hurts, but it is what it is. I can't really go out right now, so just gonna be wearing this suit at home, really. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video, hopefully. Peace.